C is cat, cats can purr. D is dog, dogs can run. E is elephant, elephants are big. F is fish, fish can swim. G is goat, goats can climb. H is horses can gallop. I is ice cream, ice cream is cold. J is jeep, jeeps can drive. K is kited, kites fly high. L is lion, lions are strong. M is monkey, monkeys can climb. N is nose, nose help with smell. O is orange, oranges are juicy. P is panda, pandas love bamboo. Q is queen, queens wear crowns. R is rabbit, rabbits can hop. S is sun, the sun shines bright. T is tiger, tigers are strong. U is umbrella, umbrellas keep books dry. V is van, vans can carry people. Wow is wild, whales live in the ocean. X is loud and tall and quick use it. Y is yak, yaks have long hair. Z is zebra, zebras have stripes. Hop. A is for anchor down in the sea. A anchor holding boat steady. B is for boat sailing away. B boat on a sunny day. C is for canoe paddling slow. C canoe watch it go. D is for dinghy small and light. D dinghy floating bright. E is for engine making it go. E engine fast or slow. F is for ferry big and wide. F ferry people ride. G is for gondola long and neat. G gondola glide so sweet. H is for harbor boats all stay. H harbor safe all day. I is for island far in the sea. I island come and see. J is for jet ski zoom so fast. J jet ski racing past. K is for kayak paddle with me. K kayak on the sea. L is for lighthouse shining bright. L lighthouse in the night. M is for motorboat speed away. M motorboat splash and play. N is for navy ship so strong. N navy sailing long. O is for ocean big and blue. O ocean for me and you. P is for paddle boat fun to ride. P paddle boat side by side. Q is for queue, boats park here. Q quay come dock near. R is for raft, float along. R raft, sing a song. S is for sailboat, wind so free. S sailboat on the sea. T is for tugboat, pull with might. T tugboat, strong and tight. U is for underwater sub. U submarine, bubble bubble. V is for vessel, big or small. V vessel carries all. W is for watercraft. here and there. X is for Xebec, old-time ship. X, Xebec, sailing trip. Y is for yak, shiny and grand. Ya, 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 across the land. Z is for zodiac, bouncing fast. Z, Z, zodiac, zooming past. Tall. B is for broccoli, tree so small. C is for carrot, orange and sweet. D is for daikon, crunchy to eat. E is for eggplant, purple and round. F is for fennel, fresh from the ground. G is for garlic, strong little clove. H is for horseradish, spicy it grows. Like a cloud. N is for napa, cabbage big and proud. O is for okra, long and neat. P is for pumpkin, yummy and sweet. Q is for quinoa leaves, healthy to eat. R is for radish, crunchy treat. S is for spinach, makes you strong. T is for tomato, juicy and yum. Colorful and bright. W is for watercress, tiny and green. X is for ziegel, veg, rarely seen. I is for yam, soft and sweet. Z is for zucchini, fun to eat. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I, B, C, sing with me. Healthy veggies from A to Z. Eat them daily, grow up strong. Happy kids, sing this song. Ooh, 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 ooh. A is apple, apples are hearty fruits. B, 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 B is ball, balls can bounce. C, 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 C zebras have stripes.